Alright guys, what it is, your boy Exia back with another video, and in today's video we're going to talk about dividend trackers, your portfolio, spreadsheets, and just simply ways that you can keep track of your dividends so you know how many you have, what you bought them at, what's your actual growth. So we're going to talk about all that in today's video, so let's just hop into it. Alright guys, so what it do is your first time to the channel. My name is Exia. We talk about personal finance, dividend portfolios, everything that has to do with financial freedom. And I have a dividend portfolio. My overall goal is to reach the 100K. And that's pretty much what made me, inspired me to start the channel, because I'm gonna just document my progress to reach my first 100K invested. So that's what my channel's about. So most definitely hit that like button, and most definitely hit that subscribe button to know just to keep up me and see my journey to reach that first 100K. But without further ado, what I'm talking about today is dividend trackers, spreadsheets. And the reason I say that is about 2-3 videos ago, I was showing you guys a dividend tracker, which was simply Dividend, which is an amazing platform to help you keep track of your dividends, how many shares you got, what price you bought them at, how is your growth on them. It lets you know how much you're getting paid out monthly. It gives you so much information on that site. The only thing about that site, it costs guap. The site has a fee on it, and it's like $399 annually, which is very steep. And when you're starting to get into dividend, and you really want to make sure you track everything, you want to know how much you got this, what you got there, what's your finding a dividend tracker is something that is needed. Like, it makes everything so much better. And you can't do a spreadsheet yourself. A lot of people say use Google spreadsheet. I have tried it. It is hard because some of the information it just doesn't hit in the spreadsheet of Google. You have to do so much to make sure it's right and to get it right. It's a hassle. Now, it may not be a hassle to some. If you like to really do spreadsheets and you have the time to really sit down and thoroughly dig into Google spreadsheet to get yours right. Like I said, it's free. I've seen some, they look pretty good. I work way too many hours and I just cannot. But like I said, simply Dividend is pretty much one of the ones I see a lot of YouTubers use, a lot of just overall people from Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, any Facebook group, anything. A lot of these people use simply Dividend. And I used to try version, but I thought about actually getting it, but I ain't got it. So I set out on the journey to really find a way to track my dividend portfolio. And yeah, I couldn't find anything, but then it's like Lady Luck shined upon me. I found it's a program or whatever website, and it's almost on the T with simply Dividend. It really is. Of course, their format gonna look just a slightly different, but it really does have pretty much everything that I was using on simply Dividend. So I found one. It is free for one portfolio. Since it's fairly new, the membership fee on it right now is like $1. It's not a lot, but I was going to pay the $1, just to help out the site, because I really like the idea of what they were doing. Because simply Dividend is amazing, but it just costs too much. So, like I said, and the reason I don't agree with getting simply Dividend early on is because even my portfolio is only worth like $505 annually. If I was to purchase simply Dividend, my portfolio wouldn't be nothing right now. And I mean, most of my gains and everything, I want to go right back and just reinvest it. So Like I said, I found this website. I'm here to show you guys this website today. It's just so close to Simply Dividend. It's amazing. Like I said, you can get one portfolio absolutely free. So let's just hop into it. As you guys see, it's called Mad Dividends. It's pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, pretty good for it being absolutely free. It's top of the line, top. Like I said, they are still working on it. It's fairly new, but as you guys can see, it has my current value here, my total cost, my unusual gains, my dividends received, and it has all my transactions. It has no news bulletin update, which I find to be very, very, very clutch. Very clutch. These are some things that you want to know. It just give you a little news bulletin on some of the stocks in your portfolio. Hey, what's going on with the company? Hey, this happened. And over here, like I said, you do see it has the dividend income, you got performance, and it has the diversification, lets you know what sectors you got, which one is taking up the most. I like this a lot. I really do. It's so close to Simply Dividend, you can't miss it. Then you got the transition where you can come in, you can put your ticker symbols. Now, the only thing I can't say about this, like I said, it is fairly new. Like I said, I know it's new because they're still adding to it, but it pretty much have everything Simply Dividend has. But for me, it's a ticker symbol. It's a stock that I have that's fairly new, came out like this year. It was an ETF made by ARK. ARK-F is such a new stock or whatever that in the actual program it has no idea what it is. So that's one of the downfall of it being so new. One of my stocks, I can't even add it actually to the portfolio because I can't create the ticker symbol for it. But outside of that, no complaints. But like I said, they're still working on it. You got your performance. You get your portfolio performance, and this is the part everybody really likes, of course. Pretty sure it breaks down your overall year payout, just like in Simply Dividend. Simply Dividend had just a little graph of blue bars, and they say this amount for this month, this amount for that. This one does the exact same thing, except they color coordinated each individual company you'll have off on that plan. And like as you can see, this one has orange, green. I guess that would be dark purple. I guess another version of green. Okay. Yellow, blue, gray, purple, orange. But as you see down here at the bottom, it tells you which company is which, and then it gives you the dollar amount. So instead of it just saying, hey, you're going to get $24 in dividend for the month of so-and-so, it's going to break it down, show you each company that's going to pay you that month and how much you're going to get for them. This is amazing. Like I said, in Simply Dividend, they just gave you your overall value that you get in dividends that month. This one, it gives you that, but it also breaks it down. Boom, 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 boom. Simply Dividend did this, but it did it off to the left side of it. And I give you guys an example of that in a second here. But like I said, these two programs are really identical. They're really close, except one costs $3.99 a year, and the other one you get one free with a portfolio, with one portfolio. Like I said, but they do have a plus version or what I know membership version, however you want to do it, and it's only $1. Because like I said, the website is fairly new. They're still working on it. But with dividends being such a good thing, and tracking your information is being so important, I find this site to be godlike. Like if you have a dividend portfolio and you really do not want to pay for Simply Dividend, or you're paying for Simply Dividend and you don't want to renew it, this is an amazing alternative. And maybe if a lot of people start to make that switch, Simply Dividend will have some competition, and maybe they would drop their price to help other people who just like Simply Dividend so much. But as of right now, I don't see anybody messing with Simply Dividend but them. I'm telling y'all, let me tell it, due to the price, they're outdoing Simply Dividend easy. But like I said, in this video, I just wanted to let you guys know. I told you guys I was going to search for a dividend tracker that's something like Simply Dividend, but not so much. Well, I did it. I found one. It doesn't cost nearly as much as Simply Dividend. Really, it's free unless you want to do multiple portfolios. But other than that, it is free. Amazing. This is it. I hope you guys like it. Drop this video a like, and most definitely subscribe to the channel for me doing all this clutchness and finding this website. But it's your boy Exia, and I'm out.